Best day, grade 5 and 6 learners. I am Teacher Marlon, your multigrade teacher on the go. I am very happy and very excited to teach you now. Welcome to our science class. How are you today, learners? Great! Learners, I want you to be very active and participative. There are games and activities that you need to answer. So learners, listen to me, look at me. Are you ready? Great! Wow, it's game time! Let's play the format and name it. I have here scrambled letters and all you have to do is to form the correct word out of it. So learners, ready your paper and pen? Let's go! 5 learners, here are the scrambled letters. And the answer is soil erosion. Great job, grade 5. It's learners, here are the scrambled letters. And the answer is earthquake. Great job, grade 6. Congratulations! This time, let us find out if you can still remember and understand our past lesson. We will play, is it a fact or a bluff? Write fact if it's true and bluff if it's false. Are you ready, learners? Great! Let us begin in grade 5. First, erosion is the movement of rock fragments and soil from one place to another. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is fact. Great job! Second, the speed of flowing water does not affect the rate of erosion. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is bluff! Great job, learners! Third, when the wind blows, the particles of sand move along with it. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is fact! Great job, learners! Fourth, when burrowing animals dig the ground, some rock and soil particles stick to their bodies. As they move from one place to another, they carry such particles too. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is fact! Great job, learners! Fifth, human activities does not contribute soil erosion. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is bluff! Great job, grade 5 learners! Congratulations! Grade 6, get ready! Here is the first statement. Earthquake is the shaking of the crust due to seismic wave. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is fact! Great job, learners! Epicenter is the center or origin of an earthquake. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is bluff! Great job, learners! Third, seismic wave is the cause of earthquake due to the movement of tectonic plate. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is bluff! Great job, learners! Fourth, epicenter is directly above the focus. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is fact. Great job, learners! Fifth, intensity is the amount of energy released by an earthquake. Is it a fact or a bluff? And the answer is bluff. Great job, learners! Congratulations, grade 6 and grade 5. You have done a good job. Congratulations! Learners, I will show you some video clips and all you have to do is observe because I will ask you questions afterwards. Are you ready? Let's go! For grade 5, what do you think are the effects of soil erosion to the community, to humans, to animals, and plants?
And then Ian, follow the shirt.
And for grade 6, how can you protect yourself if there is an earthquake? So grade 5 learners, our topic for today is about the effects of soil erosion. And this is our learning target. I can enumerate the effects of soil erosion on landforms and living things. Please repeat. Great job, learners! And grade 6 learners, our topic for today is about the safety precautionary measures before, during, and after an earthquake. And this is our learning target. I can enumerate the safety precautions before, during, and after an earthquake. Please repeat. Great job, learners! Grade 6 learners, I want you to interview your parents, guardians, or any family members in your house on what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Good luck on your interview, children! I'll be back soon to you. Grade 5. We will discuss now the effects of soil erosion. Any natural phenomenon, including soil erosion, impacts both living and non-living things here on Earth. Soil erosion not only shapes the landforms of the Earth, but also affects the environment, especially if it occurs suddenly. Human activities such as deforestation, illegal logging, overgrazing, and quarrying also worsen the effects of soil erosion in the environment. So what are the effects of soil erosion to landforms, plants, animals, and humans? The effects on landforms. It takes hundreds of years for the effects of soil erosion on landform to alter the shape and function of a certain landform. Soil erosion may kill vast masses of land and transform a mountain into a hill or a plateau. Excessive deforestation, mining, and conversion of mountains to residential or commercial lands could trigger erosion that can be destructive to the environment as large mass of soil is scratched and worn away. However, soil erosion can also add up to the beauty and wonder of nature. For example, the sand dunes. The effects on plants. The effect of soil erosion would mean less production of food. Plants get most of its nutrients from the topsoil. The topsoil contains the organic materials produced by dead plants and animals. During erosion, the topsoil is carried away by wind and water. So plants will not grow well due to lack of nutrients. Too much soil erosion makes the soil unable to hold or absorb water. Thus, the soil is dry, coarse, and eventually unfit for vegetation. Moreover, sediments can clog the irrigation system. Not enough water supply for the plants anymore. Effects on animals and humans. As plants are their main source of food nutrients, this can also affect the animals and humans. Less food production means less food source or supply. Less food of supply affects the ecosystem. Also, farmers have difficulty sustaining their lives, as their livelihood source would have problems if they do not have a good fertile soil onto which to plant. Another is the mine tailings. Mineral waste or leftover after mining pollutes the seas and rivers, and it affects the aquatic animals and also the people. Supply of potable water, sickness to animals and humans. Furthermore, soil erosion puts humans and animals to risk due to landslides and loss of lives and shelter. That's all for our discussion, grade 5 learners. This time, you will do a simple experiment at home. Put some soil in a basin, put plants, and pour water on it. Observe what happened. Good luck, children! I will be back to you. So how is your interview, grade 6 learners? Wow! Great job, learners! Let us see if your gathered data are the same to my presentation. Let's go, children! The following are the safety precautions before, during, and after an earthquake. What to do before an earthquake? First, check the structure of your house or building. Look for potentially dangerous things such as steep hill slopes, hanging objects, and falling debris, and many others. Second, familiarize yourself with your home and school. Know the routes you will take to get out from the building in case of an earthquake. Third, find the place where fire extinguishers, first aid kits, alarms, and communication facilities are located. Know how to use the same facilities and equipment. Fourth, prepare an emergency plan to cope with the disaster. And fifth, have a stock of potable water, flashlight, or battery-operated light radio, batteries, spare clothes, and some food packed. You may need this in case of an evacuation. What to do during an earthquake? First, keep calm when you feel the earthquake. If you are inside the building, go under a sturdy desk or table. And if you are outside, stay away from the building's electric posts or anything that might fall. Second, do not rush to the exit when you are in crowded places like theater, mall, or stadium to avoid stampede. Third, if you are in a moving car, ask the driver to stop and park the car away from buildings, electric wires, or poles. Fourth, do not use the elevators during and after an earthquake. You can be stranded inside the elevator if a power failure occurs. And fifth, if you are residing near a coastal area, always be aware of tsunami. If you feel an earthquake, immediately evacuate to higher grounds. What to do after an earthquake? First, find a safe place when the earthquake is over. Aftershocks are likely to follow. Second, check the safety of your family members. If someone is missing or in trouble, seek the aid to find them. Third, do not attempt to cross bridges and overpasses, which may have been damaged by an earthquake. Fourth, check for fires, if there are any. Some damages from the earthquake may result to a fire. In case you see a fire, locate the nearest fire control or alarm unit and use it. And lastly, keep yourself updated and alert. Authorities may issue some instructions to reduce the effects of earthquake. Now, do we have the same answers? Great job, learners! I am so proud of you. So grade 6, what are the safety precautions before an earthquake? What are the safety precautions during an earthquake? What are the safety precautions after an earthquake? Excellent, grade 6 learners! I am so proud of you. So grade 5 learners, how is your experiment? Great job, learners! So, what are the effects of soil erosion to landforms, to plants, to animals and humans? Excellent, grade 5 learners! I am so proud of you. So grade 5, since we have already known the effects of soil erosion to all of us, what do we need to prevent soil erosion? Right! Plant trees! Great job, learners! Grade 6, why is it important to know and practice these safety precautions before, during, and after an earthquake? Excellent! Correct! To be prepared and safe as possible. Great job, learners! So grade 5, what are the signs of soil erosion that you have observed around your community or in other places? Great job, learners! Grade 6 learners, how do you conduct earthquake drill at home and school? Great job, learners! You are both awesome. Congratulations! It's wrap-up time! Let's see if you have understood our lesson for today. Read and understand the statement carefully. Choose the letter of the best answer. Let's begin in grade 5. Let's go! Number 1. Which of the following statement is not true about soil erosion? A. It is a natural phenomenon. B. It impacts both living and non-living things. C. It affects the environment. And letter D. It does not shape the landforms of the earth. And the answer is letter D. Great job, learners! Number 2. These are human activities which worsen the effects of soil erosion in the environment, except A. Overgazing, B. Quarrying, C. Reforestation, and letter D. Illegal logging. And the answer is correct! Letter C. Great job, learners! Number 3. When is soil erosion beneficial to humans and animals? A. There is shaping and formation of soil. B. There is clogging of irrigation canals. Letter C. There is change in appearance of mountains. Letter D. There are damages of slopes of mountains. And the answer is letter A. Great job, learners! Number 4. Which of the following is the effect of soil erosion to humans and animals? A. Put to rest due to landslides. B. Pollution of water. C. Loss of lives and shelter. Letter D. All of the above. And the answer is correct! It's letter D. Great job, learners! Number 5. As a student, what simple activity can you do to prevent soil erosion? A. I will join some environmental advocacies. B. I will tell authorities to stop mining in our place. Letter C. I will join in a tree planting activity in our school. And letter D. I will stop the illegal logging activities. And the answer is correct! Letter C. Great job, learners! Congratulations! Now, grade 6, are you ready? Let's begin! Read and understand the statement carefully. Choose the letter of the best answer. 1. When do you prepare an emergency plan to cope with a disaster like earthquake? A. Before an earthquake. B. During an earthquake. C. After an earthquake. Letter D. No preparation at all. And the answer is letter A. Great job, learners! Number 2. Which of the following is not done before an earthquake? A. Check the structure of your house or building. B. Familiarize yourself with your home and school. Letter C. Have a stock of potable water. And letter D. Keep calm when you feel the earthquake. And the answer is correct! Letter D. Great job, learners! Number 3. Which of the following you will do during an earthquake? A. Find a safe place when the earthquake is over. Letter B. Check of fires if there are any. Letter C. Do not rush to the exit when you are in a crowded place. And letter D. Keep yourself updated and alert. And the answer is... You're right! It's letter C. Great job, learners! Number 4. If you are in a moving car during an earthquake, what will you not do? A. Keep calm. B. Ask the driver to go on. Letter C. Park the car away from the building. And letter D. Stay away from electric wires. And the answer is correct! It's letter B. Great job, learners! And lastly, number 5. After an earthquake, aftershocks are likely to follow. Which of the following situations practice safety precautions? A. Stay to the nearest building. B. Go to the beach and swim. Letter C. Cross the bridges which have been damaged. And letter D. Find a safe place when the earthquake is over. And the answer is correct! It's letter D. Great job, learners! You are awesome, learners. You did an excellent job. I am so proud of you. But oops, we are not yet done, learners, because you still have works to do at home. Grade 5, plan your own model to show one way of minimizing the harmful effects of soil erosion. And for the grade 6, plan an emergency exit at home during an earthquake. And that's all for now, learners. I hope you have learned a lot from our lesson for today. This is once again Teacher Marlon, your multigrade teacher on the go. Till next time, see ya!